Ready?
Yep.
See this. It's not wheat, huh? It's just palate.
That's a pretty good trick, man.
What just happened? Yeah, can we do that again, just to make sure?
Oh, man.
I don't know what I just witnessed.
Chris, you want to interview him? Okay, one more.
One more time.
Listen,
2 minutes and counting. One more time.
I will do different one. Maybe it will be too big, too bridge.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
This must be So first you put water on it. It starts. No, before when you come out to the toilet, it's not magic, just real. You know, Badix style, huh? I believe I can survive. So just how I go broke, maybe I'm running somewhere in the town. Somebody want to see me acting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And
Well,
I'm Winston.
Winston.
Yeah.
Winston, the water fountain.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You
guys ready?
I'm trying to figure it out, too.